Dear students, in this session, we will discuss simple, compound, and complex sentences. In our last lecture, we discussed clauses topic. So we learned what is a main clause, what is a subordinate clause, and even I told you a main clause is also called as independent clause, and a subordinate clause is also called as dependent clause. So, this topic, simple, compound, and complex sentence, is related to clauses topic only. That is why today we are going to discuss simple, compound, and complex sentences. So, if you have your Cambridge textbooks, you all can open page number 87 and you all can refer the book while listening to this audio. So, see here in this box, we will discuss what is a simple sentence, complex sentence, and compound sentence. So, a simple sentence has one main clause. So, now you all know what is the main clause. So, simple sentence has only one main clause. After that, complex sentence. A sentence which has a main and a subordinate clause is called a complex sentence. So, see what is meant by complex sentence. A complex sentence contains one subordinate clause and one main clause. Remember, so complex sentence contains one main clause and one subordinate clause. Now let us discuss the compound sentence. A sentence which has at least two main clauses are uh, is known as a compound sentence. So see what is meant by compound sentence. Compound sentence has two main clauses, at least two main clauses. At least two main clauses must be there. It means that it may contain more than two main clauses. So uh, compound sentence doesn't contain a subordinate clause. It contains only main clauses, and at least two main clauses must be there, and the main clauses are joined by coordinating conjunctions in a compound sentence. So, which are the coordinating conjunctions? For example, but, for, and, or, so, yet. These are the coordinating conjunction. So, compound sentence means a compound sentence which has at least two main clauses and which are joined by coordinating conjunctions. So now if you can see here the examples of all these three sentences are given. Simple sentence. What is the example? Today is the festival of Eid. After that, see the example. So today is the festival of Eid. That is a main clause, and it has a subject and a helping verb. So this is the example of a simple sentence. After that, see the example of complex sentence is also given. If they dropped from his hand, they would be smashed to bits. So this is the example of a complex sentence. So in this example, there is a subordinate clause and main clause. So this is the example of a complex sentence. If they drop from his hand, that is a subordinate clause. They would be smashed to bits, that is a main clause. So complex sentence contains one subordinate clause and one main clause. Understood? So after that, let us discuss compound sentences. Uh, Example of compound sentence. So here one example is given. The trees seem greener than ever, comma, the fields look colorful, and even the sun seems to be shining brighter. So this is the example of compound sentence. So see in this example there are three main clauses. So which are those three main clauses? First one is the trees seem greener than ever. That is the first main clause. After comma, second main clause, the fields look colorful. That is the second main clause. And after that, After that, and that is a coordinating conjunction. And after and there is a third main clause. Even the sun seems to be shining brighter. So see, in this example of compound sentence, it contains three main clauses, and there is a one coordinating conjunction and, which is also used. So these are the examples of simple compound and complex sentence. Even I can give you some more examples of compound sentence. See, I'll tell you 2 3 examples of compound sentence. I am tired, but I will finish the work. So see, I am tired. This is one main clause, but after but I'll finish the work. That is a another main clause. So both the main clauses are joined by but. Coordinating conjunction. After that, see, my mother loves me and I love her. This is also the example of compound sentence. One more example. I have finished the assignment, so I will take a break now. I have finished the assignment, so I will take a break now. So is a coordinating conjunction here, and both the main simple sentences are joined by coordinating conjunction. So this is what we discussed about simple, compound, and complex sentences. Now here one exercise of compound sentences is given. This exercise is about only compound sentence, not simple and complex sentences. Actually, in this exercise, they have provided us a pair of simple sentences. Two simple sentences are given, and in bracket, they have provided us two coordinating conjunctions. So, what we have to do? We have to convert these two simple sentences into a compound sentence by using the appropriate coordinating conjunction from the bracket. So see, let us discuss the first example, first one. The white horse has not won many prizes. It knows many tricks. So see, here two simple sentences are given. In bracket, two coordinating conjunctions are given, but oblique for. So what we have to do? We have to choose correct coordinating conjunction from the bracket, and we have to use that coordinating conjunctions and convert these two simple sentences into a compound sentence. So see, but is the correct coordinating conjunction. So let us convert these two sentences into a compound sentence. So what we will do, we will remove the full stop between two sentences and we will add but coordinating conjunction. So see, write down in your notebook the compound sentence. So see, the white horse has not won many prizes, but it knows many tricks. Now give full stop. So what we did, we removed the full stop between two simple sentences and we inserted but coordinating conjunction. And then it has become the compound sentence. The white horse has not won many prizes, but it knows many tricks. After that, see, let us discuss the next example. They left early, they had work to do. So, two simple sentences are given. They left early and they had work to do. Now we have to convert these two simple sentences into a compound sentence. In bracket, two coordinating conjunctions are given, or oblique for. So here, for is the appropriate coordinating conjunction. So see, let us convert these two simple sentences into a compound sentence. Let us add for between these two simple sentences and remove the full stop between two sentences. See, they left early for they had work to do. They left early for they had work to do. Write down in your notebook. Let us discuss the third example. It was getting dark. We stayed indoors, in brackets so oblique yet. So see, two simple sentences are given. It was getting dark and we stayed indoors. So here and is a correct coordinating conjunction. So let us convert. Wait. We are discussing third example. It was getting dark. We stayed indoors. In brackets so oblique it. Two coordinating conjunctions are given. So here so is the correct coordinating conjunction. So let us convert it into a compound sentence. It was getting dark, so we stayed indoors. So it has become the compound sentence. So please write down in your notebook. It was getting dark, so we stayed indoors. So we removed the full stop and we added so coordinating conjunction, and at the end give full stop. So let us discuss the fourth example. She opened the cupboard. She looked inside. Two simple sentences are given. She opened the cupboard, and second one, she looked inside. And in bracket or oblique and two coordinating conjunctions are given. So and is the correct coordinating conjunction here. So how will you convert it into a compound sentence? She opened the cupboard and she looked inside. She opened the cupboard and she looked inside. This is the correct. So last one, the bears ate all that was in our basket. We couldn't enjoy the picnic. These two simple sentences are given. So let us convert it into a compound sentence. The bears ate all that was in our basket, so we couldn't enjoy the picnic. So is the correct coordinating conjunction here. So the bears ate all that was in our basket, so we couldn't enjoy the picnic. So is the correct coordinating conjunction here. So here we have completed compounds and simple complex, simple compound, complex sentences topic with exercise with the examples. So we will stop here.